Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the solver for a simultaneous equation in a Python. Now what do you mean by simultaneous equation? Which is consist of the number of equations are equal to number of unknown variables. So as you can see in this system of equation there are three equations 1, 2 and 3. There are three unknown variables x, y and z. Okay, so there are three equations and three unknowns. So let us find out how we can find out the let us see how we can find out the value of x, y and z by using a solver in a Python. So first line indicate the hash solver for simultaneous equation in a Python, which is a comment. In second line we have to enter import numpy as numpy as np. Then we have to create an array of the coefficient matrix of the system of equation. So by using np.array in a round bracket, then a parenthesis, then the square bracket, rectangular bracket, then 10 comma 1 comma 1. So we have to create the coefficient matrix. So 1 comma 10 comma 2, then again comma, then again bracket 2 comma 2 comma 10. Okay. So let's see uh, we have made correct brackets or not. Yes, we have not made a mistake while entering. So again you need to make a solution matrix and array. Okay, an array form. So you are going to write np dot array. So right hand side matrix it will be 12, 13 and 14. So we have entered 10, 1, 1, 12, then 1, 10, 2, then 2 to 10. So 1, 10, 1, 1, 1, 10, 2 and 2 to 10. And right hand side we have 12, 13 and 14. So 12, 13 and 14. Further, in line number 5 we are going to mention a solver statement. So we will mention it in a C variable. Okay. So you can mention it as an X variable. So X equal to np dot LANALG. So this is the solver LANALG dot solve in bracket a comma b, in bracket a comma b. So print, so what we need to print? Print the value of x. So let us understand this fifth line, that is x equal to, x is the variable in which we are going to find out the values. np dot LANALG, it is a numpy linear algebra function. Then solve, it is the solver which is going to use for solving the simultaneous equation, and in bracket a comma b. So what is a? A is your coefficient matrix and b is the solution matrix from the system of equation. Now let us run this code, solver code. So as you can see, the answer which you have got is 111. So you can write that answer here, copy that answer, sorry, you can copy this and you can paste it and you can check this answer. So this is x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. It represent x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. So this is how we are going to use a solver for finding out the solution of a simultaneous equation in a Python. So thank you all for watching this video.